Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to deny WooCommerce checkout based on cart weight greater than threshold we set in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we will add custom code using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see maximum weight 1 mean 1 kg. So you can add your number here instead of 1, and then you see notice. So you can replace notice message according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active status, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now you see active status and then go to cart page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, click on proceed to checkout. Again scroll, you see continue, so click on it. Again click on continue and then you see place order, so click on it. Now you see message, sorry your cart has exceeded the maximum allowed weight of 1 kg. Back to code. In code we added 1 mean 1 kg. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.